my YouTube channel Smart Web Studio. So viewers, in this video I am here with a new script of AI agency website. You can see here the amazing look of this site, and in this video I will completely guide you about this site, about the user panel and admin panel too, or dashboard too. So viewers, if you want to buy this kind of website or any other website, you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is in description, and we will provide you each and every kind of website and customized website too, with reasonable prices, and you can contact us and they can trust us and can contact us for buying this or any other kind of website, and we will provide you complete support from the installation to the lifetime, and for further details you can contact us directly on WhatsApp. So viewers, without wasting much more time, let's start this video. Here you can see the amazing look of this home page. Here you can see there are 5 sections of this site. Here is the blog section, here is the company, the case study, booked online, and here is the contact section, and this is the home section. First of all, we will visit the home section. This logo can be changed from the dashboard or admin panel, and here you can see control language empowered by AI. Here you can start a project. From here you can view your work, and here these logos can be changed from the admin panel, and here you can see the voice engine and narrative system, multilingual, and you can add your services, about, etc. here right now, and here you can see the attractive look of this site. These are in proof in numbers. Here is the voice consistency percentage. You can add it from the dashboard. Here is the handling time, and here is CSAT, and here is the engagement percentage. So viewers, here you can add your own blog and about your company, your and your services, and add your, and here user can view all the posts. These all are the features for user. You can see here. From here, start a project can be user can start a project, and this is the photo section. This logo can be changed from the admin panel according to your requirement. So let's move toward the next section, that is the blog section. So viewers, here you can see the blog section of this site. Here you can see you can add other blogs too according to your requirements, and here this is the photo section, and you can write your name and your blog name, and here you can post it. Your user can view from here. You can add other two from the admin panel. So viewers, let's move toward the next section, that is the company section. Here viewers, you can see the company section. Here you can add your company about, and here you can edit this image too according to your requirement. Here you can add your about, and here these team members can be added according to your requirement. Sorry, these your services can be added according to your requirement, and you can add as many as services you want from the admin panel or dashboard. And let's move toward the next section, that is the case study. So viewers, here you can see the next section. Here you can see the amazing look of this site. You can see here most attractive view of this site. Here these members can be these services can be changed, or you can add as many services or images you want. Here you can see this image can also be changeable, and here you can see from the admin panel, and here you can see impact in numbers. Here you can see impact in numbers. You can edit them too, and here this is the footer section. So let's move toward the next section, that is the book online. Viewers, here you can add your own services price, and user can view courses from here. Admin can add the services, and can add price according to price too, and you can user can view courses, can book it from here, and can book this from here right now. So viewers, this is the footage section. You can see you can add, admin can add as many as services he want. So viewers, you can see each and everything is available and changeable too. So this is the contact section. So viewers, this was all about the user panel. So let's move toward this dashboard or admin panel. So viewers, here you can see all each and everything can be manageable from here. You can see the home section here. From here you can manage, you can view your site analytics. From here you can see your activity feeds, and here are you can view your blog post and manage your blog post from here by clicking here, and each and everything is changeable from here. So viewers, from here, from AI agent, you can take help from the personal agent, market agent, design agent, front text agent, custom agent with smart chat. So viewers, here is the booking calendar. From here you can you will click here, and you can see the calendar here. So viewers, here you can continue calendar, you can create new services here. Here you can booking list, you can view your booking list and can manage and change and edit too. So where's here, from here you can work schedule, you can add your work schedule. Here is the booking analytics, and by clicking here you are getting paid. By clicking on getting paid here, you can see connect and set up. Here is pay links, here invoices, price codes, proposal, POS, and checkout. You can manage each and everything from here. And from here, clicking on sales, here you can see edit your orders and manage orders too. From here, by clicking here, you can add new orders, and you can see here each and everything. Here gift card sales you can add from here. Payment and finance will be added from here, and here is the sale overview and all payments, receipt, sales overviews, and abundant cards. So viewers, here is the catalog. You can see here the catalog. Here is the booking services. Here is the gift cards, and sorry, where they go? By clicking on catalog here, by clicking on booking services, gift cards, discount, you can add your discount, and here is booking channels, you can edit and add too. So viewers, here is the blog section. From here you can catalog, you can add your other services too, and from here you can add new post, and from here you can add your blog. You can take help of AI from here too. You can see the amazing look of this site. It's the features of this site too. So viewers, here you can add as many as blogs you want, and here are the posts. You can add your post, you can edit your post, publish, drop, scheduled, and trash. You can trash too. Here you can edit too from by clicking here. So viewers, here is the comments. You can manage your comments from here, categories from here, tags from here, writers from here, monetization from here, and analytics from here. So viewers, here you can see all the features of this site. Here you can see apps, manage app and app market, and here you can see marketing. Here is inboxes. By clicking here you can view your new inboxes, and here you can see new messages. Here you can get setting of this site, this section, inbox section, and here you can see all the conversation here. So viewers, here you can see customers and leads. So here is the contacts, forms and submissions, meetings, pipelines, and community. You can add forms and submission here and edit it too. Here you can conduct meeting from here. Here is pipelines. Here is community. You can create community. Here is loyalty programs you can create. Here is business email you can create. Analytics. Next option is analytics, and here is the automation. In analytics option, here are many sections. Here you can see highlight, real-time traffic, behavior, marketing, section, recording, insights, benchmarks, or reports too. So viewers, here is automation section you can see, and here is the setting. So viewers, it was all about the admin panel or dashboard. You can manage each and everything from the dashboard, and if you want to buy this guide or any other kind of website, you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is in description. Each and everything is available. Each and every kind of website is available. Customization is also available, and we will provide you with reasonable prices. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe it too.